What's up guys, Lou2Fresh coming at you with a different kind of video than I usually make today. The topic of today's video is going to be how to remove pops and clicks in between clips on Final Cut Pro. So this is the video editing software that I use to make these videos, and as an amateur to the program I ran into a ton of problems, but as I've gained some experience with it I've gotten some resolutions and found some little workarounds to these issues. I've watched other YouTube videos on how to get rid of pops and clicks, and frankly, I don't like their methods, so I found my own. So let's get into it. I want to first let you guys hear what these pops and clicks sound like. So you're going to hear them in between clips 1 and 2 right here, and then in between clips 2 and 3 right here.
That's just about the car. You gotta hit the body too. Mind right.
Okay, so to get rid of these pops and clicks that you heard, mind you, the first click was a little bit louder than the second click. I kind of wanted to show you two different pops so you understand that they don't all sound exactly the same or the same audio level, but nevertheless, we can get rid of all of them. So the way we're gonna do this is highlight all your clips, go up to Modify, adjust audio fades, and we're going to apply fades. By clicking apply fades, it's going to apply a fade in and fade out to every clip that we have selected. So we're going to do that. And mind you, because clip 1 is not adjacent to another clip, we really don't need this fade in for the purpose of this video. And clip 3 is not adjacent to a clip on this side of it either. So we don't need this fade out, because there's not going to be a pop or click there because there's no other clip next to it on that side. So I'll show you guys how to get rid of those. But in the meantime, let's get rid of these pops and clicks. So we're going to go right to here to the middle of clips 1 and 2. And you guys see this little scroll wheel here? This is the wheel that we can adjust our fade out with. So we're going to drag this wheel all the way down to 0.01, the shortest possible measurement for that fade out. And then we're going to do the same for the fade in on the second clip. We're going to drag it down to 0.01. So we have the shortest fade out and the shortest fade in. And then we're going to do that to the other clip. So let's drag this wheel to 0.01 and drag this to 0.01. Boom. Now to get rid of the fade in on the first clip, we're just going to select only that clip. Go up to Modify, adjust audio fades, and you notice fade in and out are both checked. So we're just going to uncheck fade in. And on the third clip, you're going to select the third clip, click Modify, adjust audio fades, and uncheck fade out. So now we only have the fades we need and none that we don't. So if we restart the project from the beginning, take a listen.
That's just about the car. You gotta hit the body too. Mind right.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm sure you could tell that the clips were much smoother audio-wise between the transition from 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. And this will work for any clip. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps my channel out with the YouTube algorithm. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.